Right, we're looking at HEI stations 3, 4, and 5. The first station, you're looking at the adaptation to the climate and taking a look at the climate and weather in Frisco. Remember that climate refers to the weather over a long period of time. So I just want you to read through that information and learn about Frisco's climate. When you get to Station 4, you're looking at a little video about how urban wildlife and animals have adapted to Frisco, and to also gives you some information on what to do in case you encounter any wildlife, which yes, we do have wildlife here in Frisco, including bobcats, coyotes, rabbits, hawks, snakes, yes, snakes and rabbits and squirrels. Oh, and raccoons too. Can't forget them. All right. After you finish taking a look at that little video, there's a discussion for you to click. So if you click this link that says Living with Urban Wildlife, the discussion is going to pop up. I'll go ahead and do that. Remember, when you get ready to reply to a discussion, that you need to click the button down here that says Reply. When you click that, the text box will open and you will go ahead and type in your response. Today, I'm asking you to think about, how does modifying the environment impact wildlife? How do humans adapt to living and interacting with wildlife? And how are animals forced to adapt due to those modifications? The word modify means to change, and the word adapt to means to adjust to. When you're finished writing your response, you'll click Post Reply, and you will be good to go. Let me get back out of this and go to the next part of what we're doing. And before I explain about the history of Frisco, I'm going to go back to the HEI stations. So give me a moment to click back. You notice I'm using the previous buttons so I can navigate back and forth. On station number 5, you're looking at the traffic counts in Frisco. So if you click this link, it's giving it a moment to pop up. You're looking at the number of cars that we have in Frisco. This is the legend that you have over here for the traffic flow for the number of vehicles per day. What you need to do, since you're on the home screen, is zoom in. And you can zoom in with this little plus symbol here. I'm going to zoom in further. Okay, and now I need to take this and navigate to where Clark is located. So I'm going to use my mouse to help me to do that. Just when I want it to do something, it's going to get an attitude. But you get the idea generally of how you're supposed to do this. I'm using my arrows to help me. Okay, now you see that I've got Clark Middle School and Smith Elementary located right here. And this is Lebanon Road that you see to the north of Frisco. And then this is Ohio Drive, which is right here. And then that's Preston Road. Take a look at the different colors, and that tells you a little bit about the numbers of cars that come through each day. And that will help you to be able to go through Station 5. What conclusion can you draw as a result? The last part is the history of Frisco. So when I click this link, it's going to go through, and there's this really neat little website about the history of Frisco. It's going to help you to complete page 9 of your IMB. So that's going to help you with the bottom 3 questions on your IMB, and it's all about Frisco. So you'll go through and read this information about it and get it that way. Now, what does page 9 look like? I'm going to show you. It's this one. At the top of the page, you'll see there's a place where it says, where is it located? And so you'll see the absolute location and relative location of Frisco. Then you get to answer the rest of those 4 geographic questions that we will be asking for every unit. Where is it located? Why is it there? What's significant about the location? How is the location related to the location of other people, places, and environments? So using that website, that will help you to answer this one, why it's here, what's significant, and how the location is related. Right. That's all I have for you right now, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, one other thing I forgot to tell you about the absolute and relative location. Turn back to page 3, and there you're going to see your themes of geography page. And if you look right here, you'll remember that you've already completed this information. All right. That's all I've got for you. You guys take care. Be kind.